Hi, in this video, we'll be learning some essential vocabulary to help you buy groceries in Georgian. First up is fruits and vegetables. The word for fruit is chili, and vegetables is bostnioli. In Georgian, the plural of these words is rarely used. Here are some fruits. Alubali, cherry, atami, peach, banani, banana, vashli, apple, limoni, lemon, martsqui, strawberry, mskhali, pear, amidori, tomato, sazantro, watermelon, portokali, orange, kliavi, plum, urdzeni, grape or grapes. Let's review these words again. Alubali, atami, banani, vashli, limoni, martsqui, mskhali, amidori, sazamtro, portokali, kliavi, urdzeni. Now for vegetables. Badrijani, eggplant, bulgaruli tsitsaka, bell peppers, ispinachi, spinach, kartopili, potato, kitri, cucumber, lobio, beans, salati, lettuce, soko, mushrooms, stapulo, carrot, chachli, onions. For a review, badrijani, bulgaruli tsitsaka, ispinachi, kartopili, kitri, lobio, salati, soko, stapulo, chachli. Next on the list is meat. The Georgian word for meat is khortsi. Unlike English and French, which have separate words for the animal and for the meat, for example, pig to pork or cow to beef, Georgian doesn't, which means that instead of ordering pork, you are literally saying pig's meat or meat of pig. This rule does not apply to poultry or fish. Indauri, turkey. Ichwi, duck. Tevzi, fish. Katami, chicken. Horis, khortsi, pork. Skris, khortsi, lamb. Drochis, khortsi, beef. Let's review these again. Indauri, Ichwi, Tevzi, Katami, Horis, Hortzi, Drochis, chortzi. Drochis, chortzi. Here are some essential ingredients to food preparation. Brinji, rice. Karaki, butter. Kretschi, egg or eggs. Marili, salt. Matsoni, yogurt. Pilpili, ground pepper. Rdze, milk. Sapuari, yeast. Kweli, cheese. Shakari, sugar. Skali, water. Zmari, vinegar. Let's go over these words again. Brinji, karaki, kwetschi, marili, matsoni, pilpili, rdze, sapuari, kweli, shakari, skali, zmari. Here are some useful adjectives to describe all of that food. Gakinui, frozen. Rbili, soft. Tsotskhali, fresh or live for meat. Mitsipe, ripe. Achali, fresh for fruit. Let's review the vocabulary. Gakinuli, Rbili, Tsotskhali, Mitsipe, Achali. Now, we'll learn how to order food. Georgians are generally straightforward, so they don't really say, I would like. Rather, they would simply say, I want, which is minda, or I need, mchirdeba. For example, to say, I want fresh fish, you would say, tsotskhali tevzi minda. Notice how the verb minda, or I want, is at the end of the sentence. To say, I need cheese, salt, and butter, you would say, kweli, marili, dakaraki mchirdeba. Again, the verb is at the end of the sentence. This rule goes for ordering food from bakeries. I want imerili khachapuri, kada, and a water, you would say, imerili khachapuri, kada, datskali minda. If you are at a bakery, grocery store, or market and want to ask the vendor if they have something, simply say the word you have, which is gagvt for plural and formal, or gagvs for singular and informal after the thing that you were inquiring about. For example, if you are at a market and don't see any plums, you would ask kliavi gagvt, or if you are at a grocery store and you need flour and sugar, you would ask kvili da shakari gavt. Telling a vendor how many things you want will also come in handy. 1. Irti. 2. Uri. 3. Sami. 4. Otri. 5. Khuti. 6. Exi. 7. Shidi. 8. Kva. 9. Tskra. 10. Ati. A vendor might ask you, Ramdeni gindat, which means, how many do you want? To reply, I want 5 apples, you would say, Khuti vashli minda. In Georgian, items are not in the plural if a specific number is given. If you didn't notice, Ramdeni means how many. A vendor would probably ask you Ramdeni gindat or Ramdeni gichirtebat, which means how many do you want or how many do you need. For more information about the Georgian language and the country as a whole, visit our website at www.visiting-georgia.com.